So finally I'm on top of the hill. Still can go one step further, but I like this way, man. It's so beautiful. And I have been walking from down there to up here, so I'm quite tired, but overall the place and the beauty of nature, it's so beautiful, and it always gives me the strength to go forward in life, you know. And that's why I used to come in nature for the refreshment of my mind and my body too. I think God has a very beautiful gift for us. It's a natural gift, so we must take care of nature. And it's my request to all the visitors, while visiting the nature, we must think